To establish a routine structure in the course so students can easily navigate and manage their learning, there is a module created for each week that includes 3 general topic pages. For example, in week 1, there is an overview page for you to introduce students to the content being covered this week, the learning outcomes, required readings, and resources. A topic page is included for you to add written notes, videos, or images to introduce or summarize key points, and a page to enter the details of activities and assignments due this week. To add topic pages, return to Week 1 module. Click Upload, Create. You can upload files from your computer, such as a PDF file, embed or upload an audio or video recording on its own page, create a file directly in Brightspace, create a link to an item on the internet, add a file that has already been saved or uploaded to the Manage Files area of your course site, create and insert a link to a new assignment folder, checklist, discussion, topic, and quiz. Or create a link to an existing assignment, checklist, or discussion you have already created in the course. For example, there are 2 discussions already added, class introductions and a student cafe, to help build a sense of community in the online environment.